Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the truck's bed and lift it to create working clearance. Remove the fuel tank. Remove any fuel lines, brackets, or clips from the work area. Step 3. Cut off the factory rear cab mount along its base where it is welded. Avoid cutting into the frame rail. If the frame rail needs repair, grind the mounting area to bare metal and apply weld-through primer. Install the required frame repair kit before proceeding. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer if needed. Position the replacement rear cab mount using the factory silhouette for alignment. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place, then fully weld all edges. Step 6. If any additional components were removed to install a frame repair kit, reinstall them now. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall the fuel lines and any removed brackets. Reinstall the fuel tank if it was not reinstalled earlier, then lower and reinstall the bed.